I'm going to show you a web app that has been around for a while, but you may not be aware of it. It's called CBSnooper, and it should show you how to find products on Clickbank that you should be promoting. It's free to join. All you need to do is click the link there, enter your details, and that's it. Your account's created. Now, obviously, we've already got one. Right, so here's the dashboard. This is what you get when you log on. So down the left-hand side, you can see the date it was last updated. So it takes the feed from the Clickbank marketplace every day and updates the site. So you can see that there's 3,500 active products. Then further down here we have any new products that were added to the marketplace today. We've got none. Any products that are going up in gravity, any products that are falling in gravity, and any products that have got a recurring income. Okay, and then further down the site here we've got the all the different categories, so you can click on these and go into the categories below them. We'll be going through that later on. Along the top we've got links to the dashboard, various reports, so you can see any new products, top products that are at the top of their gravity at the moment, any hot products, rising products, falling products, and recurring products. Then you've got your favorites, any information and help, and then a search. Over on the right hand side there's a link here to our new Facebook tool, which is called Hidden Interests. Click that and find out where it takes you. Here we've got any notifications or announcements, and then over at the side here we've got links to my account. Then across the centre we've just got a summary of the top 5 Clickbank products, top 5 rising products, top 5 falling products, and then down here we've got various posts from the blog. So if we start by let's say clicking on one of these rising products here, we've got MF Hack. So this takes you into the product screen itself. So at the top here you can see what it says about this product and the categories that it's attached to, along with the rank in the category. Across the centre here we've got the overall rank. Now this because the data is taken every day, the benefit of this is we can see how well the product is performing. So the overall rank here is 46. CBSnooper creates its own rank based on the gravity of the product. So the highest gravity will have a rank of 1, and the product with the lowest gravity, which will be 0, will be 3,000 upwards. So we can see here that the overall rank is 46, and it has gone up 9 points or 9 ranks since yesterday. So the highest rank it's been is 46, and that was 18 hours ago. So that was when it was last, when this website was last updated. Next box is the gravity, and that's up again. That's up 3.49 since yesterday to a gravity of 50, and again it's reached it's currently at its highest. Here's the earnings box. So you would earn $16.76 for every person you refer, and you will get 75% of the cost of the sale. Over here is a bit of history. So it was first seen a month ago on the 19th of February, and it was last seen 18th of March, which is today. And if we scroll down a little bit, you get to see the graphs. So the overall rank here is 46, and if you hover over there, you can see that the rank it was falling. So it was first created on the 19th of February up there. So the first one here, well, the 19th of February won't exist because everything will be 0. So you can see that the rank for the first few days was pretty low. And if you go into the gravity here, you can see that the gravity for the first few days was pretty low. And then it started getting sales, and this started shooting up. If we scroll down even further, you can see the initial earnings per sale is $16.76, and that seems to be dropping a little bit. Now, I don't know whether this is something to do with the way Clickbank calculate the earnings per sale and the average earnings per sale, because they were right up there at $120 when it first started selling. So in those first few days, if you saw this product and it was earning $121, you might not have got that when things come to settle down. You may only get $16, like as it appears to be now. So you'd have been a bit miffed, putting all your efforts into promoting something where you thought you'd be earning that much, but you're only actually earning that much. And then further down here, you can see that 97% of all sales of the product have been sold by an affiliate. If you hover along the line, it is 100% there. 99, 98, 99, so it's fluctuating a little bit. And over here is the commission, so there's always been 75% earnings on that there. If we look at a couple of other products that are on the marketplace, this one was a popular one. Unlock your hip flexors. As you can see, 2 years ago, it was number 1 in the marketplace, and now the overall rank is 17, so it's dropping. And again, the gravity, 3 years ago, the gravity was 236, and it's less than half that now, and it's falling, and you can see that on the graph. There is a bit of undulation, but it's generally falling. So it is a 6-year-old product. I'm not so sure whether that amount is actually correct, because it is a recurring product. So if you are earning $78 per month, perhaps it may be worth promoting. But down here, total rebill amount. So that is the average value of all the rebill payments. So you can see it kind of fluctuates just a little bit there. And then if we look at this product here, the Ultimate Evergreen IM offer. Is it evergreen? Well, we don't know. Let's have a look. So it's showing that the gravity is up a little bit, but a year ago it was 62, and now it's 17. So somewhere along this graph, it would have been up here, and then it's gone down. So you can see that it's been fluctuating quite a bit. And then if you scroll down here, the earnings per sale is fluctuating. So is it a good product to promote? Well, might not be as evergreen as they're making out, but it's still making sales by the looks of it. If we go down here, yes, only 13% are being sold by an affiliate. So it doesn't look like there's that many people promoting it. Okay, that's it for the for this first video, but I'll be back to show you more features of CBSnooper. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, but you know to do that anyway.